College Board, the SAT. What happens when an adult like me who hasn't done high school math in 8 years decides to take this same test? Am I smarter than I think? Or will I scream and yell over high school geometry? Isn't there like this is a 30, 60, 90, isn't it? That whole, no, I hate this shit. I will be taking the 1974 to 1994 version of the SAT math section. It is an older test, but it was also a lot more difficult back then, so it correlates a lot more with your IQ, which is what we'll be testing today. Stick around until the end to see my high score. 75 questions, 120 minutes, constantly increasing in difficulty across 2 sections, and guessing is encouraged if you do not know. But we're really smart, guys. We're out here, Brahu. We don't need the guess out here, all right? We got this, man. I'm Indian for a reason. All right, 2 hours. All right, we're starting. I can actually talk during a test. This is exciting. If 3x plus 5 equals 14, 9. Obviously, man. Do they think I'm stupid out here? X. All right, 180 minus 52, that equals 128. 128 by 2 equals 64. Yep, easy as, mate. Easy as. What the fuck? Dude, I'm not smart enough for this, dude. Oh wait, what if n was 2? 2 minus 1 is 1. Yeah. No, that's not right, is it? Fuck. Okay, never mind, dude.
It's right! You already got it right! Just move on, you moron!
A pet shop only sells fish, parrots, and turtles. Half of the pets are fish, 2/5 are parrots, and the rest are turtles. What is the ratio of the number of turtles to the number of fish?
Half of the pets are fish, 2/5 are parrots, and the rest are turtles. What is the ratio? So 2 and 5, a common some factor for, or something like that, is 20, right? So then we have 10 fish, 8 parrots, I think, and then we would have 2 turtles. So 2 turtles and fish, it's like 1 to 5. Am I right? Am I right, boys? Am I right? Square root of 1,000 plus x equals an integer. Which of the following could be the value of x? So it has to be like a perfect square, basically. Isn't 1,024 a perfect integer? Pretty sure. Oh my god, I don't have a calculator. Well, 32 times 32. Yeah, it's 32. So 32 squared would equal 1,024. Easy. In your head. In your fucking head, mate.
The set P consists of all numbers that are multiples of 3, but not factors of 144. How many numbers in P are in between 25 and 50?
What's a multiple? Dude, what the hell is a multiple? No, bro. Okay, wait. A multiple of 3, I assume that's just like 6 and 9, but it's not a factor. I know what a factor is. It means it can't go into 144 evenly. How many numbers in P are between 25 and 50? So like 27, 30, and it's asking how many numbers? 33, 39. Well, 48 does go into 144, so can't count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think it's 6. Guys, I hope I'm right. Oh man, someone correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. If the figure below is cut into 2 pieces by making a straight cut, what would be the greatest total number of edges possible? What? How? Who is? Dude, y'all had some tough ass questions in the 80s, bro. Oh my god. I did not get anything like this on my SAT. But what do you mean a straight cut? Like this way? Or like this way? I guess it depends. I think I might have to come back to this, honestly. I've never really seen a problem. This actually makes you think. Like, what's even an edge?
You stupid.
What was I doing? In the X? Oh, it's asking for the angle, huh? Wait, no, this X, not this X. This means they bisect each other. VW bisects WY. Oh my god, I wish I studied for this shit, man, instead of reviewing the 6th grade booklet. Okay. If the area of square ABCD is 48, what is the length of the circuit? Bro, what? Is this high school math? Okay, so it's a square. Doesn't that mean all sides are the same? I thought, wait, this isn't, then that's a rectangle, isn't it? It's like the square root of 48 on each side. The square root of 48, which, if I remember, I think this is allowed. I think you can do like 6. Wait, no. Yeah, I don't know, man. Oh god, I feel so stupid, bro. Oh wait, I got it. Well, it's 16 times 3, so I think square root of 48 equals the square root of 16 times 3, which is equal to 4 times the square root of 3. Okay, so each side of the square is 4 times the square root of 3. I mean, I guess I could say it's like an arc. This kind of represents like 1/4 of a circle. So it looks like it would be 1/4 of the circumference, and I think the circumference is 2 pi r. And we need to find the arc, which is going to be pi r over 4. Yeah, the radius is just 4 root 3. Pi times 4 root 3 over 4. So yeah, I think it's pi root 3. I think. Dude, if I got that, I'm a fucking genius.
Do you slide on all your nights like this?
Where should the point S be placed to create a quadrilateral? Bro, oh my god. Can I rage quit the SAT? Is that allowed? How do I calculate the area of a quadrilateral? This is so stupid. I'm just gonna guess, dude. That's like the hardest question I've seen.
The area of the circle below with center O is 12 pi. If 90 is less than x, which is less than 180, what are all possible values for a side length PQ of triangle OPQ? This is not confusing to read at all.
The side length PQ of triangle OPQ? What the fuck? Oh, it just wants the possible value. Why are these not the square roots again, man? Oh my god, no, absolutely not. Guy, please let me rage quit. Okay, so the area is 12 pi r squared, so then it's like, oh, r squared equals 12, so r equals 4 times 3, which equals 2 root 3. Okay, so the radius is 2 root 3. This x is an obtuse angle. Obtuse, remember that, bro? Oh, it just wants the possible side length. So I'm not sure why the obtuse angle is relevant. Maybe it is. The radius is 2 root 3. So then the diameter would be 4 root 3. So I think PQ has to be less than 4 root 3. But that means it's greater than 2 root 3 because that's the radius. Am I right? Guys, I think I got it. Holy shit. Genius! An acute angle will correspond to that side. Obtuse angle corresponds to this side. It has to be larger than the radius, but it has to be less than the diameter, of course.
In the next portion of the test, they basically give you some type of premise and then 2 quantities, and you have to determine which quantity is bigger, or if they're equal, or if the difference can't be determined. It's a lot harder than it sounds.
Can I just look at this upside down? Well, yeah, I think it's the same. I think x is 120. I mean, right? Please, someone? Yeah.
A set of 18 cookies, each worth $0.34, costs C dollars and D cents.
C dollars and D cents? Why isn't it D dollars and C cents? Y'all are just trying to mess me up here. This is so fucking... Yeah, 500 something. What the fuck? What is this UFO, man? What is this alien design? Legit. B plus C plus 3. I'm not answering all the questions. There's absolutely no way, guys. Hate to spoil the video for you, but I know how this is going.
Which is bigger, arc length PQ or arc length QR?
I don't know. QR looks bigger, man. I mean, right? You know, because this angle is a little bigger than this one. This is 60.5 degrees. This is 59 degrees. So, like, it makes sense to me. I don't know.
I don't even know how to explain this one. We're just comparing the sum of the areas of the shaded triangles versus the sum of the areas of the unshaded triangles. And apparently, L1 and L2 are not parallel.
What? L1 and L2 meet when extended downwards? How is that possible? They're clearly going parallel. Why are you lying to me on you SAT gods? Don't lie to me. I don't know, dude. Just eyeball it. It looks the same, doesn't it, guys? Yeah, probably equal. We're not even gonna do math on that, bro. There's no numbers here. Or maybe it just can't be determined, technically. Actually, yeah, maybe it can't be determined because you don't really know like what point this is at. Yeah, I'm gonna say it can't be determined.
In a class of 150 students, 140 students are enrolled in math, 110 students are enrolled in science, and 75 students are enrolled in art. Which is greater, the smallest fraction of students enrolled in all 3 classes, or 4²%?
A class of 150 students, 140 students are enrolled in math, 110... Oh, this is easy. Easy as.
A few minutes later.
Yeah, I don't know, dude. Just gonna say that's greater. It's just a guess. It gives me all the information. X squared over X is X. And AB is the square root of X. X is greater than the square root of X.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What? The product of all... If x represents the product of all integers between 1 and 30, what is the smallest positive integer that is not a factor of x and is not a prime number? Bro, like what? Like what am I supposed to do with this? It's not a factor and not a prime number. Okay, dude. I don't know. I'm gonna go with 9. I mean, what could 39 possibly fit into, right, guys? Like that's such a weird number. Like if you were playing basketball, would you really pick the jersey number 39? I mean, come on.
Hey man, have some respect for Greg Ostertag, alright? I will not stand for this.
What? Distinct digits from 1 to 9? Well, A has to be 1. 111. This has to be 111, of course. How many different values of D are possible? Oh, that's a good question. Let's say I have 19 here, plus like 9. 8, it's 8. I think it's 8, yeah, because
Okay, I don't want to go too in depth on this, but basically C and D can be any number from 92 to 99, thus being 8 solutions.
All right, I'm just gonna guess here because it's in my best interest, you know. It's not gonna be the same bubble twice in a row though. I gotta mix it up a bit. Genius! Okay, hi. My camera died right as the test ended, unfortunately. Honestly, guys, I think I did total shit. I mean, first of all, I was yapping like almost the entire time. And I've never actually talked during a test like at my normal speaking volume. And let me tell you, it really hurts your focus by quite a bit. I feel like I could have done way better, but honestly, I'm okay with sacrificing some IQ points at the expense of y'all's entertainment. And as I mentioned earlier, this test is correlated with IQ. You just gotta pay for it. So we're gonna see the grand reveal of what's in this brain. All right. We paid with Stripe. Yo! No way, dude. 131. Oh my god! Because for reference, the average is 100. So I think 131 is fairly good. Let's just put it in here. I wasn't that high. Oh my god, dude. Dude. Big brain up in here, man. 98th percentile. That means I'm smarter. They're like, for every 100 people watching this video, if they even get 100 views, that means I'm smarter than, like, how does that work? I'm smarter than every 98, like, for every 100, okay, so yeah, 131. My SATM scaled score is 620, which I know might seem low nowadays, guys. I know y'all are watching like, I got at least 700 to get into Yale. Just keep in mind, this was back in the 80s and 90s. The test was a lot harder, as you saw. But I'll just say one thing though, like if I'm really in the 98th percentile, guys, like me, after all the things I've done in my life.
JJ! How big Ernie?
Kobe! 13, 14, 15. If I am somehow smarter than every 98 people out of 100, society is doomed. Like y'all, like I have sympathy for all of you. We are not going any further as a species. Like we are done for. We are completely fucked. Leave a comment if you want to see me take the 1926 SAT.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice.